A healthy, great tasting dinner for the family shouldn't feel like a chore. It shouldn't hurt the bank account or give up on flavour. My one-pan shrimp and chorizo with vegetables is going to be a winner on the family table.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So firstly, season your shrimp or prawns with Old Bay seasoning. I love this stuff. I use it all the time and it lasts for ages in the pantry. Hit the shrimp with olive oil, then add minced garlic and stir well. So already there is a great flavour going on here with the garlic and the seasoning. Now place the shrimp into a large non-stick pan over a medium to high heat and cook the prawns for only 2 minutes or just until they get some slight caramelization on the outside. Remove from the pan and set aside, and we'll finish cooking them later. Meanwhile, have your vegetables prepped and ready to go, and into the same pan add some fresh olive oil. Next add in the onion, diced up bell peppers or capsicums, and I love using different colours here. It gives the dish a great look and a better variety of flavour, but it's optional and you can just use the one colour. Next I add in diced zucchini, seasoned with salt and pepper, and cook for 5 minutes or until the vegetables start to get tender. Don't overcook them, otherwise everything will turn to mush and no one wants that. Next I add the chorizo and cook that through for several minutes while then adding a small amount of chicken stock so the dish makes its own sauce out of all those wonderful ingredients. Add the shrimp back into the pan and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, turn the heat off and scatter over fresh parsley and then serve it family style. Mop up all those juices with crusty buttered bread, mash, or anything else that takes your fancy. It's a delightful meal to have that satisfies everyone without even breaking a sweat.